In this video, we'll show you how you can avoid the green line issue on your Samsung Galaxy phones. So as you may already know, the green line issue on Samsung phones mostly appears while you are installing the update or after the update has finished. So the main reason for this is the overheating that happens during an update installation. Thankfully, there are a few things you can do to avoid this green line issue in the first place. So the first one is, before installing any updates, you need to charge your Samsung Galaxy phone to 70 or 80%. So this way you won't have to keep your Samsung phone plugged in while it's installing the update. Once you have charged your phone to 70% or 80% or even 100%, simply unplug the charger and leave it for a few minutes. So this will basically allow your Samsung phone to cool down. Now before you actually install the update, you also need to remove the case. So sometimes phone cases can prevent your Samsung Galaxy phone from dissipating the heat. So make sure to remove it and ensure that your Samsung phone is not too warm. Also, if you are in a region where the temperature is too high, higher than 30 or 40 degrees, make sure to turn on the air conditioning if possible. Once you have done all of this, simply go ahead and install the update, and hopefully you should be able to install it without facing the green line issue.